Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a SIM card in a Tesla Model 3. This guide focuses on a common method for many models, though newer versions may differ. First, ensure your vehicle is powered down for safety. You will need a few simple tools, like a plastic trim tool and a pair of tweezers, to access and swap the card. We will walk through each step carefully to get you back online. Begin by disconnecting the 12-volt power to your Tesla. This crucial safety step prevents any electrical issues during the replacement process. Next, carefully remove the passenger footwell cover. This panel is typically held by clips, so a plastic trim tool helps avoid damage. Once removed, you will clearly see the car computer where the SIM card is housed. With the car computer exposed, use a mirror to help locate the small SIM card slot. Then, carefully use tweezers to move the release catch to the right, allowing the old SIM card to eject slightly. Gently pull the old card out. Now, insert your new SIM card into the slot, ensuring the notch is facing up and the gold pads are correctly oriented. Press it in until the catch engages. After successfully installing the new SIM, carefully reinstall the passenger footwell cover. Reconnect the 12-volt power supply to your vehicle. Now, power on your Tesla and navigate to the service mode through the touchscreen interface. Confirm that your 4G network connection is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, double-check your installation steps. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.